Biological clock. Biological clock is the mechanism that exists in various kinds of plants, animals, including human beings, that regulates the physiological and behavioral changes during day and night cycles. Now let's see about definition of biological clock. It is the biological process that displays an oscillation about 24 hours, such as the human sleep-wake cycles. That means it regulates the physiological and behavioral changes during 24 hours. Then what are biological clocks? Biological clocks are organisms in a timing device. They are composed of specific proteins that interact in cells throughout the body. Then where it located? Biological clock is located in the suprachiasmatic nuclei (SCNS) in right and left of the hypothalamus and bordering on the third ventricles of the brain. Pineal gland is found in brain. It's called as biological clock. It produces and secretes the hormone melatonin. Melatonin is essential for induce the sleep, which helps to regulate the biological rhythms such as sleep and wake cycles. Here I represented the biological clock diagram. Day and night cycles. What are the physiological and behavioral changes during the day and night cycles? During 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., what are the behavioral changes and physiological changes take place? Around 7 a.m., the blood pressure will be rise in blood pressure. Then around 7:30 to 8 a.m., melatonin secretion stops. Then bowel movements will be there at around 9 a.m. Then around 10 a.m. highest testosterone secretions will be there. And 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. the highest alertness will be there. After that, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. the best coordination will be there. Around 3 p.m. fastest reaction time, and 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. the cardiovascular efficiency and muscular strength will be great. Then after 6 p.m., 6:30 to 7 p.m. the highest blood pressure will be there, the highest body temperature will be there. Around 8:30 to 9 p.m. melatonin secretion starts from the pineal glands. From 10 to 11 p.m. in between this time the bowel movements suppressed. After midnight the deepest sleep will be observed at 2 a.m. Around 5 a.m. the lowest body temperature will be monitored. Then during these day and night cycles, what are the changes take place in the fat, in muscles and liver and pancreas? Around 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. in muscle, increased fatty acid synthesis and uptake take place. Increased glycolytic metabolism take place. In fat, increased lipogenesis and increased adiponectin secretions will be take place. From 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. in liver, increased glycogen synthesis will be take place. Decreased cholesterol synthesis and increased bile acid synthesis. In pancreas, it increased the insulin secretions. So increase the insulin secretion take place during this time. Then from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. in liver, increased gluconeogenesis take place, increased glycogenolysis and increased mitochondrial biosynthesis take place. From pancreas, increased glucagon secretion will be take place. From 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. what will happen in muscles? Increased oxidative metabolism take place. In fat, increased lipid catabolism take place and start to increase leptin secretion. Leptin is the hormone which is responsible for regulate the energy by suppressing the hunger. So these are about the biological clocks. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again.